இவ்வளோ வெயில்ல இந்த டெனிம் ஜாக்கெட் தேவையா? ரொம்ப ரொம்ப வேர்க்குது. Wow. Hi guys, hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you the products that I bought from Amazon. Mostly makeup products that I bought from Amazon. So let's quickly move on to the video. So the first thing that I'm going to start off with is this Blue Heavens Makeup Remover Wipes. This is a wipe that is supposed to remove a makeup. Previously I was using the Calabash makeup removing wipes and that is over. So then I ordered Blue Heavens Makeup Remover Wipes. Why I choose this brand is that it is much more cheaper than the Calabash one. So that is why I chose this brand. And also I did use this. This is pretty much very good in removing your makeup in just one tissue. Yes, it does remove your makeup in one tissue. I wonder why people use micellar water with a cotton pad. Because you need two items. You need a micellar water as well as a cotton pad. Which means you have to invest in two items. But this one is just one tissue. It removes your makeup so well. I tried it out with the waterproof mascara. I tried it out with the matte lipstick. This is so good and the quality of the tissue is also equal to the Calabash one. The next product is the Sugar's Rage for Coverage 24-hour foundation in the shade 55 Americano. This is the last darkest shade available in this range. This one is a newly launched from Sugar. This is a matte foundation and that is why I bought it. I love matte makeup, matte lipstick, matte blush, matte eyeliner, everything matte. You will get to see a lot more products in the matte range. So this is the Rage for Coverage 24-hour foundation. So I believe this foundation will give you a high coverage, but I haven't used it yet. I tested the shade and it matches okay for me. I can work with this one. And this is the last darkest shade, Sugar Wine. Please launch more darker shades. So this is 55 Americano and this is the tube. The next one I bought is this Minimalist Hair Growth Serum. This is my second purchase. I previously bought this serum and used it for a month. I have read reviews online that it did reduce hair fall in the 4th week or 3rd week itself. You can watch my previous Amazon haul for more details of that. And this is the Hair Growth Active 18% serum. I have already recorded a first impression of the serum when I first got it and it is yet to be uploaded and you will see that video very quickly on my channel. This is a scalp serum which means that you will have to use it only on your scalp and not on the length of the hair, and this is a night serum. You should apply this before you sleep. For more details, I promise guys, this video, the minimalist video, will be uploaded very soon. The next one is the Maybelline's Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 330 Coffee. 330 Toffee. I have used this powder twice before and this is a decent compact powder, I would say. This powder won't give you that much of a coverage, but this is very good in setting your makeup, and the mirror quality of this compact powder is so good guys. Wow. The shade also matches me. This compact powder can be used to create that no makeup look. But if you want some good coverage or if you want a powder in a loose format, then you can go for the Fit Me's loose powder. If you ask me which one is the best, the Fit Me compact or the Fit Me's loose powder, I will definitely choose the Fit Me loose powder. This one is something you can put it in your bag and go out for the quick touch-up. This is very good for touch-up. The next interesting product is Forever 52's all matte base product. This is a product from Daily Life Forever 52 Professional, not Forever 21, Forever 52. This brand is a popular brand in the Middle East. I got the all matte base from them. I used this base for my makeup today. What I did is I applied a layer of primer on my face and then I used this base. So what it did is that foundation went on so smoothly guys. I have never experienced this smoothness on my skin with any primer. This one is a very good base. This says it is an all matte base. What I could really see inside this tub is that silicone. Just silicone is what I feel by looking at, by feeling it, by applying it. This tub has just silicone into it. That is what I feel. It says all matte base. Doesn't mean that if you apply a dewy foundation, the foundation will go matte. No, that is not going to happen, because I applied dewy concealer today and the dewy concealer did not turn matte just because of this base. It is a very good primer, I would say. You can use this as a primer, you can use this as a base. Today I applied a primer and after that I applied this base and the foundation went on so smoothly, guys. I think I'm gonna love this product, but the disappointment is that this product is 20 gram and I bought it for like 650 rupees. 20 gram of products for 650 rupees is kinda expensive.
Next on the line is the Lakme Primer Plus Matte Foundation. I intentionally picked up the last darkest shade, which is Cool Cocoa. This shade is 2 shades darker than my skin tone. This has a mousse consistency to it. I would say this is a mousse foundation. This is not a liquid foundation. This is kind of a mousse texture to it. Lakme foundations never worked for me so as this one. It has a moussey consistency and it settles on my clogged pores. Maybe people with open pores can use this, and I have clogged pores and it settles on my clogged pores. Not sure if I will use this in future.
So the final product, moving on. Abba. If I switch on the AC or fan, then you cannot hear my voice. That's why I've switched off AC and fan to avoid noise. So the next and the final product I believe is this spatula and foundation mixing plate. This is how it looks like. It comes in this nice little bag, not little but in a nice cover, I would say, to store the foundation plate and spatula. This plate is used to mix your foundation together. Suppose if you're using a foundation on the back of your hand, you can put the foundation on this, mix it up and apply this onto your face. Why I bought this? Because I used to apply the foundation on the back of my hand, warm it up and apply it on my face. One day I wore white jean, and what I did is I put the back of my palm on my jean. So, lesson of life. I bought this product and this is a very good product. You can mix your concealers, you can mix your foundation together. You can also use this spatula to take your skincare products. So this I think is everybody, even if you are a beginner or a professional usually have this, but if you are a beginner, try this product. Guys, this is just 250 rupees and this is so good. This will make your life easier. You don't have to wash your hands every time you use a foundation, concealer, powders and all of that. Just this will do the job. I hope you finished the products, guys. I hope I did not miss anything. I will leave the links in the description box. If you want to purchase any of these products, you can click the link and buy it. If you want a review of any of this product, do let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, I will see you in the next video. This is me, Diti, signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.